You already have everything you need to make money online. The problem is you just don't know it yet. Because right now in 2026, artificial intelligence has completely rewritten the rules of what counts as a valuable skill. And the people quietly figuring this out are earning real income from things they were doing for free just a year ago. Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how ordinary people with ordinary skills are using AI as a multiplier to create income streams that would have required a full agency just a few years ago. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. For the longest time, making money online meant either having a rare technical skill, a massive audience, or enough money to outsource everything. Web designers charged thousands because coding was hard. Copywriters commanded huge fees because writing persuasively took years of practice. Video editors were in high demand because the tools were complex and time-consuming to use. That barrier to entry was the whole game. If you couldn't get past it, you were stuck. But something fundamentally shifted. AI didn't just make hard things easier. It made common things valuable. And that distinction is everything. Think about this for a second. Can you write an email? Can you organize your thoughts clearly? Can you take a messy idea and explain it simply to another person? Those things used to be table stakes, just the bare minimum, nothing special. Today, combined with the right AI tools, those exact abilities are the foundation of actual businesses people are running right now. Here's what's really happening beneath the surface. AI is incredibly powerful, but it's also incredibly dumb in a very specific way. It doesn't understand nuance without guidance. It doesn't know your client's brand voice. It doesn't know when something sounds off or feels wrong. It can't replace judgment, taste, or real-world context. That's where you come in. The combination of human instinct and AI capability is where the money lives, and most people haven't figured that out yet. Let's talk about some concrete examples, because I don't want this to just be motivational fluff. I want you to walk away with actual direction. The first skill is writing, and before you click off thinking you're not a writer, hear me out. Businesses are drowning in content needs right now. Blog posts, newsletters, social media captions, product descriptions, email sequences. The demand is genuinely insane. Now with AI, someone who can write a decent paragraph and knows how to prompt, edit, and shape AI output can produce polished, on-brand content in a fraction of the time it used to take. Freelancers are packaging this as a content service and charging per piece or on monthly retainers. The skill isn't writing from scratch anymore. The skill is quality control and direction. That is something most people already have. The second skill is organization. This sounds boring, but stay with me because this one is flying under the radar in a massive way. Many small business owners are completely overwhelmed by their workflows. Their files are a mess, their processes are inconsistent, they're losing time and money because nothing runs smoothly. People who understand how to structure systems, even just from managing their own lives efficiently, are using AI to build templates, automations, and standard operating procedures for small businesses. They're calling themselves operations consultants or system strategists, and they're charging premium rates for what is essentially organized thinking plus AI execution. The third skill is communication, specifically the ability to translate complex things into simple language. If you've ever explained something technical to a non-technical person and done it well, you have a skill that businesses are willing to pay for. AI can generate technical documentation in seconds, but it often reads as if a robot wrote it because one did. Someone who can take that raw output and turn it into something a real human can actually understand is genuinely valuable. Technical writing, user guides, help center content, onboarding materials. These are real products people are selling to real companies right now. Now here's where the psychological part of this gets interesting, and I want you to pay close attention. Most people self-select out of opportunities like this before they even try. They look at someone making money online and immediately assume that person has something they don't. A special talent, a secret connection, more time, more money. But the reality is that the gap between where you are and where those people are is almost always smaller than it looks, and AI has made that gap even smaller. The real barrier in 2026 isn't skill, it's identity. People don't take action because they haven't yet decided that this is something they're allowed to do. They're waiting for permission that's never coming. So consider this your permission. If you can do something useful, AI can help you do it faster, at a higher quality, and at greater scale than you could alone. Let me give you a framework for thinking about your own situation. Ask yourself 3 questions. First, what can I do that others find difficult or time-consuming? Second, what do I enjoy doing or naturally gravitate toward? Third, what problems do I see around me that nobody seems to be solving well? The intersection of those three answers is where your AI-powered income opportunity lives. And you don't need all three to overlap perfectly. Even 2 out of 3 is enough to start. Another worth addressing is the fear that AI will replace you. This fear is real, and I'm not going to dismiss it. But here's the nuance that gets lost in those conversations. AI replaces tasks, not judgment. It replaces repetitive execution rather than creative direction. The people who are thriving right now are those who treat AI as a collaborator rather than a competitor. They're not asking whether AI will take their job. They're asking how AI can help them do 10 times the work in the same amount of time. And that mindset shift alone is worth more than any tool. Now let's talk about the practical side of actually getting started, because strategy without action is just entertainment. The first thing you need to do is pick one thing, not 5 things. One thing, one service, one type of client, one platform. Trying to do everything at once is the #1 reason people spin their wheels for months and make zero progress. Pick the smallest viable version of an idea and start there. The second thing is to offer it before you feel ready. This is hard, but it's the rule. Confidence in your service comes from doing the service, not from preparing to do the service. Reach out to one potential client. Do one project, get one piece of feedback. That cycle of real-world experience will teach you more than any course, any tutorial, or any amount of time spent watching videos like this one. Third, use the tools. This seems obvious, but a surprising number of people who are interested in this space have never actually sat down and spent serious time with AI tools. Not just playing around for 20 minutes, but genuinely trying to accomplish a real task with them. The learning curve is short once you commit to it, and the payoff in time saved and quality produced is immediate. Here's the payoff moment I promised you at the beginning. The reason this window of opportunity is so significant right now is timing. We are early. Not so early that the tools don't work, but early enough that most people haven't yet adapted their thinking. The businesses that need these services are numerous. The freelancers and consultants who can deliver them effectively are still relatively few. That gap is your opportunity, and it won't stay this wide forever. The people who look back on this period 5 years from now will fall into 2 categories. The ones who saw the shift and moved with it, and the ones who watched it happen and wished they had. Which category you end up in is being decided right now, not tomorrow, not when you feel more ready. Right now. So what is the one skill you already have that AI could help you turn into something more? Drop it in the comments below. I genuinely love to see what you're working with, and I might just give you some direction on how to move forward.